Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to allow tips on the X app with the latest updated steps. This quick and easy feature lets others show appreciation for your content directly through your profile. If you're ready to start receiving tips, let's jump right into it. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to enable tips for. Once you're in, tap your profile picture located in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the side menu where you can access your account settings and profile options. From here, select profile to go straight to your personal page. Once your profile is open, look for the edit profile button and tap on it. This will bring up a set of options that let you update your bio, your location, and other details visible to your followers. But for this tutorial, scroll down until you find the section labeled Tips. Now, tap on the Tips option. This is where you can manage and control whether people are able to send you tips on X. By default, the feature might be turned off, so you'll need to toggle on the switch that says Allow Tips. Once you turn it on, X may prompt you to review the available tipping services, where you can connect your preferred payment accounts if needed. After enabling the option, make sure to save any changes before leaving the page. Once it's on, a small money icon will appear on your profile, showing that your account accepts tips. Followers and fans can tap that icon to send you contributions as a way to support your work, content, or creativity. That's all it takes. You've successfully allowed tips on the X app. It only takes a few taps to turn on, and it's a great way to build a more supportive connection with your audience. Don't forget to double check your payment setup so everything runs smoothly. Thanks for watching.